Hello, my dear friends. VSI Pharma. This company is conducting walk-in on 9th April, Daman. So, coming to the details of the walk-in interview, the venue is VS International Private Limited, plot number 11, Golden Industrial Estate, Dabel Road, Daman. So, they have mentioned the WhatsApp number, email ID, and timings 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the venue. So, here you can see I are already at the venue. And coming to the details, department-wise vacancies, quality control, B.Sc, M.Sc, B.Pharm or M.pharm candidates with 2 years of experience, analytical R&D, formulation R&D, quality assurance, production. And for production, IT or diploma graduates can also apply. For packing, IT or diploma candidates also apply for the level of operator. And for the store, 1 to 3 years of experience, any graduate. So these are the details, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. So please share this information with your friends and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you wish to receive job updates like this, please turn on that notification bell icon.